Hi kids, welcome back. We greatly appreciate you guys stopping in to see what's going on with us. Today we're going to be making some homemade flour tortillas. So in this bowl I have just 1.5 cups of regular all-purpose everyday flour, and I have about 2 teaspoons of salt, and I've already mixed all that up well. So we're going to take a 1/4 cup of just oil. I would use olive oil. I'm out today, so we're just going to use everyday vegetable oil. We're going to mix this together with a fork. Very simple. You want to mix your oil up with the flour to get that absorbed, and that's going to make a much softer, more delicate flour tortilla. So, mix this together. Does not take a lot of skill here. And as you can see, I have some very hot water. And I'm going to use about 1/2 cup. Let's see where to start. Just under a cup. So we're going to go in shy of 1/2 cup. Let's start out with a little bit. Again, when you're working with flour, whether it's tortillas, breads, rolls, anything like that, the weather outside is going to make a difference on the outcome. Okay, so here we have our dough, and it's very soft, and we're just going to knead this for about 3 to 5 minutes, and it's just a very fun soft dough. And you're going to want to add, you're going to want to think that you're going to want to add more flour, but that's okay. A little sticky is okay because you're just going to keep kneading this, and then it's not going to be sticky at all, and then we're just going to let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Turn it over on itself. Just push, pull, and push. Push. So here we have our dough that has rested for our tortillas. I'm just going to kind of pat it down a little bit like that. And we're going to do 8.
Well, that's homemade tortillas.
Yes, it'll be yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
There we go. There's 8. We're going to just put them in a little ball, soft ball. There we go. Again, guys, it's homemade. It's made with love. Doesn't have to be perfect.
Absolutely.
So, I'm just going to...
It's serving a purpose, and the purpose is to fill up pawpaw. Our presentation might not be the best all the time, but like we said, we're not professionals at this. We're new at this. We didn't ever expect to be doing this. I mean, but you have to do what you have to do, and God's put it. I mean, this is what
in our hearts, and
this is what we're going to try to do. So
we enjoy doing.
I wish I could go trucking. I wish I could do a lot of things, but due to unforeseen circumstances, you got to do what you got to do. Just sort of like cooking with food. I mean, what you got to do with what you got.
That's right.
And we're just happy and blessed to be able to do this, and we thank each and every one of you. We think it's awesome that people watch our videos.
Because we sure have a lot of fun making them.
Absolutely.
And we eat well.
Yeah.
As you can tell.
That's the main thing. I've always said my entire life.
He doesn't want to die hungry.
I don't want to die hungry. And I've been big all my life. I'm sure unhealthy. I mean, but when I'm hungry, I eat. And thank God I'm able to. She's rolling this baby out. Alrighty, she's got the first one. Yep.
Very nice.
Yep.
We'll set it there in our pan and work on the next one.
Yep. Alrighty, Gigi has made our tortillas. Fresh flour tortillas, homemade. She's made us up 6 or 7 of them here. Yes, ma'am.
Get there.
Yes, sir.
See it bubbling?
She's bubbling.
That's got little char marks on there. That's good.
Absolutely. She's coming along.
Here's our last one.
Alright. And the bell rings. That's the last one. We got our tortillas. Good job, Gigi.
Thanks. Very soft.
Yep.
Very soft. You can make a gyro with them. You can make quesadilla with them. Okay, so here they're nice and soft. You can go ahead and use them for a gyro. You can make them a quesadilla. You can make tacos. You can make a wrap with ham and cheese, roast beef, tuna. It doesn't. It's
At the end of the day, whatever you make,
it's made with love.
absolutely.
So just store them in a Ziploc bag. We hope that you try the recipe. Please give us a comment. Tell us if you've made them. Please subscribe. And we love you guys, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.
Thanks, y'all.